Okay, we're here at Sense of Product Inc. We're speaking to Ben Kerr. As most of our readers know, Sense of Products is very famous for flexible sensors. They get into some of the tightest spots that you can imagine in pretty much any kind of application. But Sensors Product Inc. has a major foot in the medical industry. And we're going to speak to Ben here. He's going to tell us a little bit of what they got at the show. Ben?
No, thank you. We actually sell our pressure indicating film pretty much for uniformity and alignment checks on heat seal bars and nip rollers. Pretty much we have our pre-calibrated film here, so if you are having a uniformity or pressure issue across your heat seal bar, very simply you can take the reaction sheet and contact sheet, place it between your two bars, and then apply your pressure to the material. Instantaneously, you're going to get your static impression, so you'll be able to see high spots, low spots, and if you have a leak. For a bigger example, these are just some quick heat seal impressions, just to make sure you have a good seal integrity across the film. Now, the magic to the material is we can quantify the pressure readings from the static impression into a pseudocolor and change it to plus or minus 2% accurate to give you the exact pressure across your heat seal bar or nip roller. This is our pressure indicating film. We have 7 pre-calibrated ranges. There's 2 sheets to the material. There's a reaction sheet and a contact sheet. Each sheet is 4 mils thick, so 8 mils in total when you have the film together. When you're placing it between your 2 heat seal bars and nip rollers, the film is going to react instantly to the pressure being applied to it. As you can see here, the pen can represent a heat seal bar being applied to it. Instantly you'll get a reaction to the film. You'll be able to see a high spot, a low spot, and where the leak is. And then instantly you can adjust your heat seal bar to match your product and uniform it across evenly. So this is just a larger impression of our static impression from the Fuji Prescale film. It just shows you the line integrity of the heat seal bar across your product. So here you can see that it's maxed out, that you have a good seal across your bar. And as you can see here on this line, the second line, the integrity on my left and your right, it's a little bit less, so of course you need to adjust your heat seal bar and you can use the film to see where you're having issues. So this is a Topak imaging service. You just saw our Fuji Prescale film. Pretty much we can scan the film and quantify the static impressions plus or minus 2% accurate and quantify the pressure readings from the film, and we'll be able to give you numerical values plus or minus 2% accurate minimum and maximum pressure.
That's great stuff, Ben. Listen, thanks a lot for talking to us today.
Not a problem.
And lots of luck with the show.
I appreciate it.
Products. And,
no, definitely.
We'll see you in the movies.
Hopefully.